Hello everyone, welcome back to my bright path, the place where we learn, grow, and become the best version of ourselves. I'm your host Rekha Sandmotra, and today's episode is all about how to learn English easily and confidently. Guys, many people think English is a difficult language, but the truth is, English is not hard. We just need to learn it the right way and practice every day. If you want to speak English confidently, don't be afraid of mistakes because every mistake is a sign that you are trying, and that's the first step to success. So, what do you have to do? First, you have to listen more. The first step in learning English is listening. Before you speak, you have to listen, just like a baby learns their first language. Listen to English songs, short videos, or podcasts every day. Try to catch the sound and tone of words. For example, listen to how people say words like thank you, sorry, and good morning. Repeat them out loud. Listening helps your brain understand how English sounds in real life. Next, speak every day. The second step is speaking, and this is the most important one. Start speaking English daily, even if it's just a few words. You can start with simple sentences like I'm learning English, I'm feeling happy today, the weather is nice. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to start. Third step, think in English. When you think in Hindi or another language, first and then translate into English, it becomes slow. So try to think directly in English. For example, instead of thinking, मैं पानी पी रही हूँ, think I'm drinking water. At first, it feels strange, but slowly your mind will start working in English naturally. Okay, the fourth step is read and write. Reading improves your vocabulary and sentence structure. Start reading short stories, articles, or English quotes. When you see new words, note them down in a small notebook, then try to use those new words in your own sentences. Example, if you learn the word confident, say I am confident today. Writing short paragraphs about your day also helps you improve your grammar and memory. Okay, so fifth step is be consistent. Consistency is the key to learning English. You don't have to study for 3 hours, just spend 15 or 30 minutes daily. Speak, listen, read or write, but do it every day. Remember, small efforts every day create big results. If you ever feel nervous, remember every English speaker was once a beginner like you. The difference is that they didn't give up. So don't stop, don't be shy, and don't compare yourself to others. Your journey is your own bright path. So, friends, to learn English, you have to do what do you have to do? You have to listen more, speak daily, think in English, read and write regularly, and be consistent. If you follow these steps, I promise you I promise you will see the difference in just a few weeks. Thank you so much for listening to my bright path. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep walking on your bright path. See you in the next episode. So, thanks for watching. Please like, share.